Instructions on how to play the quiz challenge. A link will be posted in the chat box. Open your chat box, find the link, click on the link. The link will open up in a new browser if you're on PC or laptop. If you're playing by mobile phone, you'll need to copy the link, exit the Zoom room, open up your browser, paste the link into your browser, play the game, and when you finish playing the game, then you need to exit the browser, come back into the Zoom to discuss the results. You will be given a set time in which to play the game. There are website links, videos, or audios in some of the questions to help you find the answers. Also look up for power-ups to give you game advantage. The questions are either multiple choice to choose the correct answer or true and false. Let's quickly demonstrate how to play the game. So as I said, for some of you, you'll have to copy and paste the link into the browser. When you enter the game, please use your real name and surname so that we know if you're the winner, that we can allocate a prize to you. If you do not enter your real name or your surname, you will not be able to win a prize. So please make sure of this. When you hit play, you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to select an avatar. Choose the avatar, and when you've selected your avatar, you will now be told that you are get ready. You're waiting for the game to start. So we wait now for all the players to join the game. When the game starts, you will be taken to the very first question. At the top left, you will see that you'll have a navigation bar. At the bottom of your screen, you'll have three options, which you can use and click. So you have your questions, your game board. If you click on the game board, takes you to the game, and then the leaderboard. So right now I've added 2 dummy players just for demonstration purposes. So now we're going to head back to the game, to the question. So as mentioned, some of the questions will have links, or they'll have videos, or maybe they won't have anything. So I'm going to go through the first question with you. There are close to how many franchise brands in South Africa? I click on the link. I go and look at the website to see if I can find the answer. Normally the answer is on the page, but you must just have a look and see if the answer is on this page. Right, so I can see the answer, and I'm going to click on answer I think is right. It's told me it's correct, and now I can proceed to the next question. When you proceed to the next question, it will quickly show you on the board that you are moving forward and take you back to the set of questions. I'm going to just answer a few questions correctly for this tutorial. And we go on to the next question. I've been given a power-up score where I get to increase my score by 1 point. I click on this and it will take me to the top right-hand corner. Right, so here is an example of a power-up. This means I can shoot anyone out the way, or this person can shoot anyone out the way should they get ahead of the game. When you click on it, it will take you to the top right-hand corner. So I'm going to intentionally answer this correct question wrong, right? So here it tells me that I've answered incorrectly, and now I can proceed to the next question. What will happen now is you'll see in the game board, this person, John, is going to be moved spaces back. And John goes off to the back. So now he can proceed to continue the questions. So I'm just going to answer a few questions correct. And here is a question that I want to go through. So how long is a course at the Academy of Life Coaching? I'm going to click on the question on the link to find the answer. Now, this is where you just got to be careful because the questions are not always on the same page that you landed. However, we do our best to make them as easy as possible. So as you scroll here, you can see there's no answer, but it says how long is the course. So I'm going to click on courses and immediately the answer is there. So just be careful for little things like that. So I click on the next question and I move forward. Now, here's another trick question where SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now, this is a question that would have taken place within a morning session or in the session that the game is being played, which is why there's not necessarily a link to the answer. So I'm going to click on true, and it will move me to the next question. Now what I'd like to do is just go back to John's place. So if we go back to the leaderboard, I've got this cannon. So here I've activated the cannon, and it's saying that I can point it now and shoot it at anybody on that space who will move backwards. So I'm going to point it at the person leading, and there I've moved backwards. Do you see how that works now? So that is why it's good to have your power-ups and to make use of them. So I'm going to continue with the questions, and I'm going to finish the game. Here we have a video that we need to watch. Now this will tell us, here it says you can find the clue at about 3:56. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go and find the answer at about 3:56. So somewhere around there.
Compare it to your business.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. So you actually have to actually get it written on paper to say that, you know, you are the official owner of that logo as a company.
Yeah. Right. So this is true. I'm going to answer. And I've won first prize, as you can see. So I finished the game first, and therefore now I'm the winner of the prize. I can either continue to answer the questions or continue to play the game. So that is in a nutshell how to play the game. The first person to get to the finish line wins the game. So good luck, have fun, and let's play.